Maayong adlaw. Welcome to Pod Point Season 4, Episode 12. Woo! 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 Grabe ang energy natin, Charlie. Okay. Sige.
Na may
So,
audience impact.
Thank you, Lord, no, for another episode that we were able to record for today. It's been a while, no? Jo, don't you think?
It
It's been a
has
while we
been
were
so
able.
long,
Yeah, it was
actually.
so long. No, that was we were able to record another episode, and thank you, God, for allowing us and giving us the opportunity to be of service and to be encouraged and to be an encouragement to other people, and most especially to our dear listeners and to our dear viewers. And with me, I will be hosting together with
J.O., me.
Jo. Okay. And with me, of course, are two new faces. Oh, diba?
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise! Actually, si tawagan nila, kalit-kalit lang ginamo ni sila og kuan invite, no? Pero thank the Lord for their willingness to participate and to be part, no, of the Pod Point for this recording. And so we welcome together with our host,
Hey guys, my name is Jacob from UC Maine, and my friend here.
So, hi guys. So, I am Marvin John from UV Maine also.
Okay, that's
Nice to meet you both.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
So, before we begin our conversation, mangumusta ko, kamusta man ka, Jacob? How are you? How are you over the past week? How are you over the past 2 weeks?
So, from the past 2 weeks, kay una to atong tungod sa typhoon, yeah, so kulbaan na matangtang na sa damong maunsa na sa damong balay. And then pagbalik na sa school, another disaster na sa pagbalik sa school kay sa kana consecutive na mga test quizzes niya.
Oh, that's the disaster.
Academic
He was
disaster.
talking about
Man-made academic disaster. I feel you.
And
On
Yeah.
very high level.
motto niya online class, so wala klaro online
Yeah.
class, so
Mm.
release og pagbalik ng transition more ako first year balik nasaag ko sa akong room.
Okay.
I thought na kanay ko na room and dili day more ako first year balik.
Mm. It's hard to transition from an online setting and then followed by a physical setup na tayo like all of a sudden lang, di ba?
Mm.
It's hard to
I think the
adjust.
first hurdle is getting dressed and leaving your house. It's so hard.
and waking up early in the
So
morning.
hard.
Waking up early in the morning,
Yeah.
then going to school.
Yeah, and what's making more harder kay more wala ang teacher gani na transition dito. Or kuan na dito baka nang exam dito na. More ra magwala.
Okay,
Wala.
okay. There's no like kanang introductory
Mm.
baron
Kalma lang
or
ba?
something. Okay. That's hard.
Same for you, Marbs.
Yeah, same like karon sa mo is same sa ka Jacob like ang mga student is tungod sa mga disaster ba.
Mm.
Like nakuratan bitaw. And daghan kay mga activities nga na stuck up
Okay.
na kato nga nang ang student is murag na pressure bitong maayo kay
Mhm.
because tungod sa disaster din ang binamo chilling kabot kay chill na kay kanang more on kanang nag kuan ba nag-recover pa ba ang uban but medyo na kuan ng schedule and conflict maayo din mo to karon sin past few weeks is medyo lisod good like,
Okay. Yeah. And so
But in the middle of that, you guys had like, I remember that the YE camp was November 1st. So when to when?
October 31st up
Thirty-
until
30 to
November.
November 1st. Yeah, so
2
right
weeks.
before the first typhoon.
Yeah, before Typhoon Tino occurred.
Yeesh.
Yeah.
pagkaugma typhoon na pagkaugma
Malagi. Grabe ka girato eh. Pero thank you Lord, in spite that, no, we're still standing.
Yeah.
But by the grace of
by the
His.
grace of God.
And so, how about you, Jeo? Kamusta man ka? How are you?
Can you tell from my face that I'm going through a lot, but still smiling?
Yeah.
Like they said, it's the same. Stock up the exams and the classes, and some insensitive comments.
Insensitive comments?
Yes.
Oh.
School, so-
We'll not mention the school.
No, we wouldn't mention this school.
Yeah.
but
That's cool there. Okay.
cool there.
So there.
Yeah.
But it's been okay. God has been faithful.
Nice.
It's what I would say. Yeah,
Mm.
it's not been easy, but God has been good. Yeah.
I can sense.
Can you sense it?
I can sense the-
Yeah.
yeah, that's nice. No,
What
I
about
think,
you, Kuya JR?
the past few weeks was very busy. It was very hectic because we went to northern Cebu and to the different parts of Cebu. For instance, Diloan, Compostela, and even sa among own barangay, we were able to conduct psychological first aid to the residents there. And then it was very hard because I understand their experiences, and then the stories I heard with the residents there was so disheartening. And pero thankfully we were able to at least give them a sense of hope and a sense of peace for that matter, because aside they were able to purge out their emotions, their thoughts and their feelings, they also was given the avenue um, to reach out and to have this sense of support from the society and from the community, that they are not alone. Because I think that's one of the things that we tend to forget, and we tend to have this mindset na I'm all alone and that other people won't understand me, and so that gives us the bridge on how we can establish the social resiliency, right? In spite of what happened, we are still here, we are still
Yeah.
surviving, and but by the grace of God, right? So aside from that, like Jay also mentioned earlier, that one major common denominator for all of us here is YA camp.
And Mafia.
I think
Did
Were
you
you-
play Marbs?
were you able
Sa
to play
Mafia,
one?
Yeah,
you
I played the
played.
Mafia.
I just watched.
I played 2 times.
Uh,
Kuya JR.
yeah.
You know we have
for-
a joke
yeah, yeah.
about you.
What?
We say, wow, in the voice of JR.
All right, for the context, they always kill me at the very first round, every single round for 5 consecutive games.
It became like
I
a
do-
running joke.
I don't understand why it has to be me.
It has to be somebody. And it was JR. Sorry.
Always a
You know,
victim.
one time it was.
Who?
That was the
She
Mafia.
killed me? I just learned that right now, I swear. So the context is that we had, right after our first day, we were able to play Mafia, and yeah, they always had this motivation to remove me at the every first round. My brother in arms and my brother in spirit
Shakes.
is Shakes. Yeah. Who's unfortunately
Shout out to you, Shakes. I
Always
hope
the
you're
victim.
alive in real life.
we were constantly getting removed
Yeah.
every first round just because we look like one. For some reason, we don't understand why we look the
Like
villain
the Mafia.
or like the mafia for some reason.
Yeah.
But
We didn't
anyways,
look.
yeah, it was a really fun time. Yes,
Yeah.
and I think it ended around 2 a.m.
Yeah, we ended really late that day.
It was really late, and we
Yeah.
had another activity lined up for tomorrow's session.
Yeah, so we had to go sleep.
So yeah, and yeah, how was your experience, guys?
What
YA
was your
camp.
most
Yeah.
memorable experience
Yeah,
at
what was
YA
your-
camp?
Yeah, yeah.
Most memorable. Daghan man oy.
Aw,
Maybe you can
let's
just pick 3.
Okay,
Ayan lang.
top 3.
Top 3.
The first is katong nag sa river ba to? Or falls ba to?
River, yes.
Yeah. And
Nagusabi mo to.
nagkuan mo to kanang nag-chill lang dito, then nagpa-massage sa falls.
Pag-after na
Yeah.
pag-after sa kuwan.
Dako, ang falls nga to. Wala bito ko
Ay,
kadto.
mo siya cascade lang siya ba? Gagmay siya.
okay, okay.
Nagay rocks.
Nilisod niya ang kawan pa jud kana niapas mo ko nila kay naulahi ko. Niadto ko sa lisod na path.
Which was on the opposite side? Or?
Opposite side katong
Ah.
wala ko atong tunnel, namtoy murag tunnel
Yes,
lang
yes.
gamay. So
We
I
really-
didn't go. I was
Ah.
studying.
ato ko sa
Ah,
pika.
okay.
So
Ah,
na
okay.
road, na siya road ko. Ning ko naputol man ang road ba? Na concrete na
Mhm.
road. Asan mi so ni cut sil aning boulder oh to. Wow, kita sa tunnel kay
Nasa sa right, ang good
natabunan
niya
mo
side.
siya ko.
Yeah, yeah.
Ato ni cut ko hala na to naabot ko. So moto naabot na ko nila dito. Ay first pa ato kanang padung ko sa opposite na way. So may gani na oy imong kaubon na dito pikas. Okay.
Ah,
At padung na ta ko sa forest
kato sa left side.
o sa left side.
Ah, okay.
Niya gitudlo ko nila sa moto. Pag abot na ko dito niya, to ni balik na. So nakita na ko na ay mo din ning sayon na path
Road.
day niya. Dito ko sa pikas mo ka na military ka training ana mo. Lisod.
Pero siguro ka sa kon.
O na siguro nung ana sila na dito ko masud sa tunnel. Kung unsa jud ka da.
Oh, gamay kay tong
Well,
tunga
it
ko,
was
eh.
very narrow man good.
Pero
diba?
wala sayon naman siya nasudro mo nung ko.
Ah, okay.
Takilid lang ko takilid.
Ah, okay.
So
Nice.
ang another one kay katong games.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, games grabe ka competitive.
Very
Very.
competitive. Grabe.
Kuan pa kanang sana kanang trial pa pero gihatag na tanan sa kong ka-group. What? So gikapoy na sila so mo tong
That was my fault actually.
nagkatawa ako sa likod kay grabe na kay hatag na nila tanan
Yeah,
tas
yeah.
mo to. And another is katong na niabot si Pastor
Pinik.
Pinik.
Yeah,
oh.
yeah.
Na-explain ganin niya nang in a way na masabtan ako maayo jud tong katong theme nato na first King
Yes.
91. So mo to dito na amo din ipasabot ato day. Mo dito ipasabot jud.
Yeah, it was a very nice good experience, and I think Pinik did a really great job. Not just Pinik, but also our speakers on setting the foundation of each passage from different verses. It was a very great experience in order for us to, it's sort of, mahog siya ng nuggets, mas sayon siya, mas easier siya to digest, and then Pinik tied it all together gid siya. And then it was later expounded by Alex in the Pagka-Sunday dayon. Diba? It was a very nice experience. How about you, Mars?
So, top
three.
3. So, my first is siguro sa patong games because
O sa naa sa games yung gid.
like adto na ako nakitang mga each individuals nga kung unsa ka competitive like grabe like trial pa gani. Sulti ni Jay ka mo trial pa then grabe nakita niyo mga sa each of us nga
Yeah.
kuan ba very competitive then
Di gyud mo pupildi ba?
yeah good good like adto pa nakaila sa akong mga teammates nga
Yeah.
kung unsa sila nga competitive pod
Say
then
mo teammates
sila
was you katong fire.
sila Rolter
Rolter,
si
okay.
Shakes
Okay.
sila like si Shakes bitaw like sobra ka competitive like trial pag ikapoy nagmayo kay
Ay, siya man to katong kusog mo dagan sa niya.
Baka to.
Malapas na siya so.
Kisa to ang first sa inyong group nga ni Dagan.
Siyam siguro.
Oh,
to,
si Shakes.
Si Shakes to.
si Shakes
Ah,
katong
okay.
trial pa
Okay.
nga he gave his best
Okay.
ayun
He gave his
and
best.
pag anang pa na tinuod na wala na siya ka energy.
Yeah.
Like the second is memorable is siguro during every talk like every talk like
Yeah.
like
Every talk, like every session.
Every session.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
like Kati Janine,
Mm.
Alex and Pastor Nicolo.
Mm.
Like it was very memorable bitaw because I was kanang understand nga kung unsa gyud nga pasabot ato nga team which is tong
Yeah.
Kings. So mo to like murag na in konsa ko mind ba nga memorable kay siya nga preach pa every session like every session is na kay makuha nga
Pagtulunan.
pagtulunan nga na
Lawli
siya pa
kayo.
lawom kayo.
Pagtulunan.
And last siguro is katong bitong Walk with God, itong puntag.
Silence.
Itong silent
Yeah.
book, silent like.
Mm.
Kato is, I was able to reflect bitaw
Mm.
myself katong sa mga questions. sa akong kuan like inot ko siya nga mga question because it was about yourself
Yeah.
kung unsa imong kumusta na imong kuan ni God
Mm.
imong
Relationships.
niya
Mm.
inot ko siya nga kuan nga opportunity pod ba
Mm.
nga atong activity.
Okay, sometimes ang good sa una, like most especially here in the city, we're so busy, and then we're hustling and bustling with the city, and then grabe kay ang noise,
Mm.
Bitaw,
grabe
tinuod.
kay background noises, and so that camp allowed us basically to have this silence, this moment of serenity, and just
Yeah,
to
tinuod.
be and to hear from the Lord on what He's trying to accomplish and what He is speaking to us. No, very nice. Thank you for that, Mars.
Thank you for sharing.
How about you, Jo? Aside sa Mafia, Jo.
Of course,
Grabe.
you enjoyed
Because
Mafia.
actually, for the context, Jo was the mediator or the
I
moderator.
lost
sorry.
my voice.
Yeah,
Thank you, guys.
he lost his voice because of the
I
Mafia.
was
game.
yelling a lot.
So tiring ibuhat. So tiring.
It's so tiring. Go bito kay siya.
Very. Next
shut up
time,
and
you
good.
guys, one of you gonna be the mediator.
No,
I know.
I'm gonna just focus sa chips and salsa.
No.
Jacob was near me when.
He was just beside an
Yeah.
Ethan, seeing the
Yeah.
chaos.
Yeah. Yeah.
For me, top 3 memorable. The first would be talking to Ate Janine during the camp because it was it was very random. We just finished the SG group and then we were having lunch.
Mhm.
And so Ate Janine called me aside to ask me, so how was the SG? And it evolved into this chismosa session.
Mm,
But
okay.
it was very, I say it's memorable for me because it was the beginning of God doing something
Mhm.
for me, Sakam. So that's very memorable for me. So that's one.
Mhm.
2 would be sleeping outside.
Sleeping
I
outside.
slept outside
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I was so happy because I wanted to wake up with the sun on my body.
Sa hamak
Mm.
nun,
Yeah.
sa hamak.
Yeah,
Was
in the
that you?
hammock,
Like,
yeah.
you
Yeah.
swam
Oh, yeah,
early
yeah,
in the
yeah.
morning.
Yeah, you guys were swimming.
Yeah.
I was like, this early in
What's ang orasan ng mata?
5
5 a.m.
It
para
was
na
too
mga ligo.
early.
So, original ato na plan kay kami nilang Hans, Alex, Ralter. Yeah.
Akamong nasa second floor.
Kami nasa second floor and then
planning to kuan ba?
ako nag-focus si Hans. 5 na niya. Mo pa di pag human nilag duwa og mafia.
Ah.
Oh.
Yes, ang fun pa jud ato si Hans pa jud nagplano.
Siya ni plano pero wa siya ito nga.
Guys, go on without me.
Tawan sa
So kami na lang to ni Mars.
Oh my
Ah,
gosh.
okay. So you two were the one who
yeah.
I woke up to them swimming. I'm like, first of all, second of all, it's cold.
bitaw tugnaw siya.
Tugnaw kay
No.
dili ko
Yes.
mohunong og
Ah,
I thought
shit
na
na ginawa.
madala ra siya pero ni steady ko pero uyog jud siya muro siya.
Mura kan ligo kuan ice bath,
Cold shower.
cold shower gid.
Okay.
Much
okay.
needed.
Yeah.
I think that was the second. The third, this one's crazy. So I've been wanting to hang upside down. I don't know why. Since I was in the city, I've been wanting to
Hang
lie with my head down, like feel the blood going through my head. I don't know. I've been wanting to do it, and so I was able to do that.
Where?
It's a sitting area. Everybody had gone to sleep, so I just laid down and I.
Ah, okay.
And
Using
I
the
really
bench?
needed it. Yeah, the bench.
Oh.
It was so fun. So memorable for me. Because I've been wanting to do it so bad. Mostly because I think the city was very loud, one, as well as things that were happening. A lot of things were happening that time. School, personal. And I needed to, I think, self-regulate. He understands, right?
That's
As
the
a
first.
psych person.
That's the first time I've ever heard about that self-regulation.
I needed to self-regulate by hanging upside down. And I did that.
I have to
That's very
try that.
memorable for me.
Okay.
Yes. So that's for my top 3.
Yeah. So I think for me, I think the number one good was the fire camp. Yeah, that was
That's really beautiful.
it was a great opportunity for us to have this memorable experience in such a way that people are like you can sense the community and the people surrounding you. And then, by the way, the context there is we wore our white shirts, and then at the same time, the people are tasked to write something down sa shirt, and it was a great scene to watch because while we were doing this activity, Kuya Tristan took a picture and then he he said to the GC,
Maybe you put the screenshot.
wait, he said, what was he said? He
Um,
said something along the
I
lines. that
leave for a while and I come back and see this.
Yeah, that one. It's a
What
reference. It's a reference
Yeah.
from Moses, and it was a very hilarious thing. And but kidding aside, it was a very memorable experience for me, most especially at that time because we had the opportunity to gather and to sing songs of worship. And I don't know if you guys recall, but after when we were singing the songs, it started to rain. But prior to it, even though there were thunderstorms, there were lightnings, it didn't rain. And I think that's one of the ways like God is showing that His presence was there. It was a really nice experience for me.
Yeah.
And I think next and the most obvious thing was to be able to relax. It was
Thank you, Grace,
Yeah.
for free time.
A lot of free times.
yeah, a lot of
A
free
lot.
time. The free time was like 4 hours, 3 hours,
Yeah, 4
right?
hours.
Yeah. And so we were able to look to and to be and commune with God in our own different ways. And maybe individually it was a great experience, good. And for the rest, and lastly I think is the silence, like the silent walk. I think it was a very humbling and very serene and peaceful moment for me because I've been so busy, and then I needed this. I needed this weekend to not just to rest but also to commune with the Lord privately in such a way that I can hear Him, or I can hear His words and what He's trying to talk to me. And one of the things, Siguro, that I was reflecting upon was, since this is the first time, diba? This is the first YA camp, and for some reason, on the third day, we were assigned to have small group meetings, and then we got selected to be the group leaders.
Again, Auntie Jenin, blindsided. I was.
We were
Jacob,
ambushed.
right?
Jacob.
Ambushed.
Ambush Jacob.
Yeah.
We
So can you
forget.
can you tell us what happened, Jacob? what were you
What happened?
think-
What happened?
What were the thoughts? What were your feeling about that time?
So, mato, gitawag ko. Then I thought na, because part ko sa, like, Stomo, na organization. So, maybe gitawag ko tungod ana. So, mato, nibarog na lang sad ko. And then, leader. Na siya kung unsay leader up.
Hello, leader.
I thought na leader lang ka na. So, mo to pag human pa jud sa camp kay mo na to na murag na barog na sa kuha na role na leader. To na. And then na-shock lang ako na anong leader. Anong leader? Kami ni Jabez na leader man mi ato niya. So mo to
Up to duha, no?
kami duha, and na kuan sad ko nganong ako gitawag sad kay first ato kay sige kog chat ni Grace kay daghan yung pangutana about sa camp.
Okay.
So mo to basin ako yung naunaan na to. Yan, mo to. So, nagkatawag ko atong nag-story siya why gipili ang leaders kay tungod ko no na kana naipot. So to, tong they prayed for it. Niko, nag-pray jud ka or ako jud imong nakitaan jud.
Ambush yan.
Or ako sige chat ni mo dang ko'y question niya ko ako ipangutanon niya dito man. So, mo to ko. Basin mao jud to ang kuan. Sige na, leader. Sige, leader na.
Sige na lang.
Sige na
yun.
lang.
Okay lang. Tayo mo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, like, in light of that, how important was YA camp for you?
How important.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, dito na it shows na ako ang pagka independent gani kay from sa pila ka years na nako as following Christ kay I've been with this organization na helping me grow sa akong faith. So, na ako'y guide. I have a guide. Na ako'y spiritual leader. Kuyag me sa camp. And then kani, napakita ang pagka dapat independent ko ba. So, behave ko dapat.
Behave ko.
Behave ko. So, dapat ka
Hindi ka
ang
mag-behave,
material kay ako yung basahon, i-understand yun ako, so what ako.
Mm.
So walay mo na, write down. So wala, mo bito'y handouts.
Yeah, yeah.
So amo, may handouts mo to. So, walay handouts. So, notes dyo go. Yeah. Night ka ng mga ipangsulti na maglibog ko. So, dito na ko mo reach out. May gani. So, si Alex atong time. So,
Okay.
bro, unsay pasabot. Mo to. Yeah, kuan sad ka ng, unsa tong, kuan,
How is YA important to you?
important. So, mo sa tumurag, kanang naka-relax jud town from sa katong gig sa gikan mi to kanang linog niya school.
Yeah.
And then mo to naka-relax. Hilom kay siya.
Yeah,
Then
peaceful. Yeah, it was very
Very
dugi kita
quiet.
naabot dito pero paspas kay nakauli.
Yeah, bito.
Dali kay na ni piyong lang ko hula. Ni hunong na mi sa Dunkin Donut. Nagli kita sa city lagi.
No, it was very fast.
Yeah.
That's
Oh.
different.
Yeah, yeah.
So ano ko, kuya, pwede ibalik mi sa agi
Can we go
kuya.
back?
Ganahan mo uli.
Ibalik.
Di ganahan mo uli.
So mo to saba kay sa kuan pagbalik sa city.
Yeah. Nice. How about you, Marvs?
So, what's the question gani?
The same
How-
question.
how
How
How was
Yes.
it, why
Camp
kami important to me?
Yeah.
So first is ingadto ko nga burnout kid ko. Kay ato nga time is ikan ko sa mong province which is sa Leyte. Kay nato nga time is di ba gikan to Linog. Then medyo kan pangunahuna like medyo traumatized.
Disoriented pa sa mga
Like
late.
murag gubot ang una then. So katong ni kuan ko ni Ate Grace na reach out ko niya nga pwede pa maka-appeal.
Mm.
So mo to naka-appeal ko.
Mhm.
Like before the day,
Yeah.
nagahata ko na yun. Then,
Okay.
that's why that's why
Sa katong name tag.
Oh, wala ko name tag. That's
Oh,
why.
okay.
kay bago pa ko ting ating reach out niya.
Okay.
I was planning to kanang to reflect without to relax like siguro mo ni nga inut nga opportunity to siguro mao na nga butang makakuan ko maka-relax kay nakakita ko sa location is sa bukid man gyud.
Ah, yeah.
So sa unahon na so kuan gani ka na peaceful gani.
Hangin pud kayo ngadto.
O hangin po
Diba?
kayo.
Like wala jud kay though na ay sun pero di ka siya grabe ka init. It's not that. The sun is not. Yeah.
It because of sa mga punuan no.
From the
Yeah.
mountain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
mountain.
it's kind of cold.
So ato is kanang moto din ato nga time is to ning join ko ato din mo na to abot na dito din kanang nice bitaw siya kanang I was unable to kanang experience with kanang another relievers bitaw nga
Okay.
nga ato nga opportunity nga camp nga maka witness ko sa ilang mga thoughts bitaw like sa mong group nga nakaibaw ko sa ilang mga testimonies
Mhm.
ilang mga kung sa ilang purpose ng uban po sila
Ilang kaagi po.
ilang kaagi po
Yeah.
so and also pag kato pa mga activities to lingaw kay siya
Mm.
and so ning tatak siyang mayo na tungod sa mo sa team which is katong First Kings katong nga kuan.
Claiming Christ.
Okay. Nakarelate ko to nga verse because lagi I was burned out like same ni Elijah
Yeah.
nga need to rest.
Yeah.
So God really speak to me good nga mo gyud tugatan ni God nga
Mm.
kuan nga opportunity nga maka-relax ko, maka-reflect, maka-reflect and makahatag og time
Mm.
niya og balik kay sa Leyte is murag na distract bitaw mayo kay
Mhm.
tungod sa linog
Yeah.
like wala na ko time ni God
Mhm.
kay ako as follower is bago ko maging follower ni Christ like
Okay,
it's
okay.
been a month siguro
Okay.
kuan i-follow ko ni Christ is after sa mong katong among campus na which is Kaleo kato sa Stumo
Sa Dumaguete.
sa Dumaguete so kato after sa Kaleo which is katong among camp so atuloy ko ning murag ning decide nga follow ni Christ tungod sa akong witness kay naka-witness ko sa unsa di ka maayong manaing nga na community nga
Yeah.
na yung mga same nimo gusto makatunan
Mm.
so moto it's been a month it's been later so it's been 5 months siguro
Mhm.
5 months pa so kato nga moto nga dako siya kanang important na ako tong YA camp because more yung same sa Kaleo ba nga mas nakatag reflection po na ako maayo
Mhm.
then moto ka ng I was able po ka ng maka-witness na pagbalik ba sa another community nga
Mm.
nga napay mga lang believers
Yeah.
nga kauban nimo nga dili ra de ka
Dili ra ka na ginusara.
alone nga it was also reminded me nga si may Elijah nga dili ka niya pasagdan
Mm.
despite mo sa ka burnout so kato nga camp is ning kuang ginang mainaw ning tatak yung mayon ako ba tungo na to siguro maura siguro to ako
Nice. Nice. How about you, Jo? What do you think is the most important thing you learn at camp?
Um, like I said before, I went for camp. My mind was a crazy place, which is why I wanted to hang upside down. Okay, no judgment. But I was very excited about camp. Like if you're on the group chat, I
Yeah,
made
yeah.
the most noise at
Yeah.
the beginning.
You and Esther were
We were
very,
so
yeah, very,
happy.
yeah. And
Mostly
also
because- great
Ayo.
also. Ayo,
Ayo,
yeah,
yeah,
Ayo
yeah.
also. Mostly because like I couldn't wait to leave the city. I couldn't wait to leave the noise. I was so excited. I was so eager. And so I was really looking forward to camp because I felt like it would be a place where my mind would finally quiet down
Mm.
and I would be able to hear the Lord. Because I had been mad with God.
Mm,
I had been upset. And like the Devo this morning, before we did support point,
Yeah.
I was really pissed. Like, how long, Lord? How long? And so I was really oscillating between should I be angry at the King of Kings? Should I be angry at the Lord? And I really do feel angry though. I feel like I've been cheated or something. And so we go to camp and the first thing we see is that Elijah is doing the same thing.
Yeah.
He's crying and God is like,
Complaining. He's
eat, sleep. You
Eat.
need to sleep.
Relax.
yeah. You have to relax. Yeah.
Yeah. And so that's why really when me and the Jenny started to talk, it was like God wanted me to bring out what I was feeling, so like put it on the table so that everybody else can see it. Because by the time he started to respond to me, I knew that he was really talking to me.
Mm.
Because Ate Janine could testify like, you told me the same thing this afternoon, and look at the answer.
Mm.
And so we finished. I think that was the afternoon before Pini came tonight.
Mhm.
So we were talking about, I was telling her how I felt about
Mhm.
how I felt angry, and I felt like bad about being angry
Mhm.
and all of that. And by the time Phoenix came that night and tried to do a run through of everything,
Yeah.
it was almost like he had been in that conversation me and Ati Janine had earlier, and he was answering everything I laid out. And so I felt like even Ati
Oh.
Janine being there was like a witness to the testimony, like
Yeah.
this is what really happened. And so it was really important for me in that way. I was able to process what I felt and come out of it with some sort of comfort
Mhm.
on the whole thing. But you know, I went home feeling like I wasn't, you know how you eat and you're sure there's still space for more. But like the food is finished.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, like that. So I was like, I feel like I haven't eaten completely. So, but I mean, this is all I got.
Yeah.
Like, so I just go home. But when I got home, I remember doing like going through, since I journaled during the
Mhm.
event.
Camp, yeah.
So going through my journal and then trying to do quiet time with all of
Mm.
that. And that was where I really ate the rest of my food. Because I feel like, you know how we were reading in Devo today, how like David was saying something about don't correct me in your anger.
Mm.
It's basically like he felt like he was where he was as a result of what he did, and he knew that God was justified to be angry, but don't correct me in that anger. Correct me gently. And it was like after I went through what I went through at camp and I came home still feeling like half full, I felt like I wasn't done. God came to my house.
Mm.
And we walked through the rest of it together. Not like he wasn't in my house, like physically, like
That would be
spiritually.
a dangerous
That would be dangerous. But like it really was important to me because I feel like it was such a defining moment in my walk with God,
Mhm.
where I felt a feeling and I named that feeling, and God wasn't upset with me for feeling the way I felt.
Mhm.
Instead, we walked through it together,
Mm.
and I came out feeling better on the other side.
Nice.
So it was really important for me in that way.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
What about you?
I think well, first and foremost was the rest. I think that was very important for me. And then being away from the city, though it's quite far, right, from the city, and then we were able to experience the serenity and the peace. And I think one of the most um, the lessons to go to that God was telling me or was informing me was community. I think that was a very clear picture of what God was telling me during the camp, because um, I'm I'm not really quite that of much of a talker.
Surprise, surprise.
Really?
Surprise.
Really?
Wow.
I talk for
We
a
can't
living.
tell. Oh.
I
You
talk for a
can.
living, pero I really don't want to like establish interpersonal connections good to previously, and but with the camp I was able to experience how
Forced.
it's not that forced, but I mean, like, it was a great experience to be with fellow believers and to establish that sense of community with one another. And I think that was the best thing that God was telling me, was to have a community or to be with the community, with fellow believers. And I think that was the very important thing that really happened to me at camp. Yeah, to be with believers. And so right after, during our third day, we were able to have small groups discussions, and we were able to establish our small group, right? To which Jacob is also a leader. Yeah.
Max.
And kinsa imong group, Jacob? Who are
Shout out.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out.
Ang group day kay silang kuan, silang Jabez, shout out siyang Shabs Coffee,
Coffee.
and also si Hans og
Hans.
si Marvs.
Shout
Hi,
out
Marvs.
Hans.
Si Marvs kay permi mabiktima sa
Ang
na
best friend
na question
Si
ang
Marv
speaker.
Bato.
Marvs.
Ano na yung
So
kumutog?
memorable jud niya kay
Yeah.
permi siya participate.
Kayo.
Kurat lang ta ba?
Katong last time nag-CR siya. Pagbalik niya, Marvs ikaw. Storya na
Kurat
siya
yung
dayon.
Lahat siya istorya.
Ay, tot nga manatanan. Wala di ay.
Yeah. All right. And to end siguro, I think the last question I would want to raise is, what is the one thing you learned at camp that you want to apply in life? And I think for me, I would like to start as a community good. To have fellow believers walking and growing in life with you. That's it. How about you guys?
So, mine is there was a question, diba? Tong, why are you here? Yeah.
That was the first
Day
question raised
one.
by Ate Janine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
murag ka ng pag first ato like murag ka ng girl talk kay why are you here?
Exactly.
Kay wala akong tuyo or ba diri kay katong first ato murag mo kana mo chill
Mm.
kay nindot kay ang lugar jud.
Yeah.
Yeah, camp. So, why are you here? Mato na namtoy time na sad katong mag morning walk katong mag
Silence.
silence. So, nasa gibalik sa question dito, why are you here? Katong yana, why are you here? So, ako na siyang gi-apply every time na nakoy attend na events para like ingani kanang college life group. So, why are you here? So, mo na kanang to grow more sa akong faith, and also tanan places na ko adtuan. Ako i-question ako self na why am I here? So, what am I doing here?
Mm.
So morning ni join mo nang nakakuan sa ko sa camp na why am I here. So na kuan ko dito na murag na real talk jud ko dito na gaun sa mo ko diri. Bitaw. Yeah. What mo na i-apply sa akong life karon na. Question jud na, why am I here jud?
Nice.
Makes it like purposeful. Everything you do is like, what am I doing
Mm.
here? Yeah, I like that.
And then at the same time, you get to assess yourself, right? Kana siya.
Yeah.
How about you, Marvs?
So for me is daghan mo na learn. pero ang
Participative ya kay ka.
Asa to Marbs? Asa to katong
Kaya yung na-learn bitaw like ang first is katong yung sa team gid like katong I was reminded na same ni Elijah nga I was not alone gid. I'm not alone nga even if I am burned out, even I'm tired nga kanang like mo suko na sa life sa ang purpose, I was reminded nga naragyo si God nga nasa akong side always nga if need ng rest is naragyo siya like iyarang tagaana ko iyarang i-provide nga sinunsa nga butang nga naragyo siya i-provide always. And also I was learned to nga it's very important nga surround yourself nga with other believers nga
Fellow believers, yeah.
because mo man matabang nimo sa if you are low nga na kay mga but na kay kauban nga high sila
Yeah.
sila nga matabang nimo para mo get up ka para kanang padayon ka sa imong purpose. And also same ko Jacob nga kato nga question,
Why are you here?
why are you here? Because same ko Jacob is ang plano to is to chill agad like
nitubag sa ganto, di ba?
oh chill agad kay burn out yung ato like need mo rest
Yeah.
to mo reflect po but more to ang expect but daghang minitabo like daghang kung learn gid nga more than pa di ay akong ma witness dito. Siguro kanang a witness nga indot ko nga kanang
It's fine. It's fine.
sorry kanang makabalo kasi yung purpose bitaw katong sa question nga what I'm doing adto here adto. So kato is I was reminded pod nga sa akong purpose diri sinasa ko padong I was reminded tong our great commission tungod sa agtulos sa mong kuan
Yeah.
nga i-share ang faith sa uban
Go make
nga
disciples.
yeah to mo tong murang nakapag-strength sa mga lingon nga i-equip na nako akong self kung maayo bitaw kay unsa na pag-share sa akong faith if ako dili ko equip og maayo
Nice.
like unsa man pagtuo sa uban
Yeah.
nga ako kuan but I believe nga bisan ako imperfect but I have saved by grace na.
Yeah.
So I can share sa akong faith bitaw sa uban. So mo ta akong always i-think nga atong question.
Nice.
So mo ta akong na pang gina-learn maayo.
Nice. How about you, Sister Jo?
Just going off what Marb said about how that, at the beginning of the camp, I think Janine talked about how Elijah asked the question. No, God asked Elijah the question, why are you here? And then he ranted and said all he wanted to
Yeah.
say. And towards the end of that passage, God asks him again, why are you here? And then we end off the passage with God reminding him of what he called him to do, reminding him of his purpose. That's why you are here. That's why you're on earth. And so, like in David, where he's like, he starts off with, oh, how long, Lord? And then he ends with confidence in it's God. And so it's like, it's okay to start with ranting. It's okay to start unsure. It's okay to start not knowing. And if you know me from past episodes, you know that I do not like not knowing. I'm not a very patient person. I like being sure of things. And so for me that likes to have everything in control, that's like, it's okay to start angry, unsure. Just go to the Lord like that and end.
Come as you are.
Come as you are. And then it will always end with him reminding you, like he said, your purpose. Always end with sometimes praise as you remember what he has done in the past. So it's okay to walk through those emotions with the Lord and then eventually remember why you're here, your purpose as to why you're here, why he made you. It's not a mistake. It's not an accident. He made you for a purpose that you are called to fulfill.
Yeah.
And that's encouraging for me.
Yeah.
That's something I would apply to my life from camp.
You have that
That-
confidence that there is a purpose, there is a reason as to why you're here.
Mm.
Right?
Mm.
In every struggles, in every challenges that we may face, in spite of those things, we are also reminded that we have a purpose.
Mm.
That we have a God who is sovereign enough for us to have and to give us the purpose and to be reminded of what is the meaning of life and why are
Mm.
we here. It was a great discussion amongst us guys. Now, thank you for
guys.
um,
Thank you,
thank you.
Jacob. Thank,
Thank
you,
you for
Marv.
having us.
thank you
Thank
for accepting the invitation and
Spontaneously?
gracing us spontaneously.
Also, nalimtan ay shoutout.
Shout out.
Katong wala ka kuyog sa camp.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, duha to sila si...
Na siya lista.
Oh, katong first kay katong si... Ang sige invite jud namo si RJ.
Oh.
Siya hang Max Dose. Yeah, si Instagram. O si Rolliver Food. Wasad ka kuyog. Yahang thrifted clothing and ball and depth na clothing, guys.
Oh, pamalit mo na guys.
Na sila aron para next camp na sad. Mo sponsor na sila.
Oh,
Oy.
hopefully no.
Hopefully.
No, natay sponsor nga
Sponsors.
t-shirt ba, diba?
Yee.
Nako ni free ko no. Sa ako na mo palit.
Alright. Again, thank you guys for coming here. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
gracing us
Thank
with your
you.
presence, guys. I really appreciate it. It was very quick, it was very on the spot, pero thank you
Mm.
for coming and
Thank
thank you
you.
for participating and sharing your thoughts and your experiences with us. No, if you want more contents like this, like, share, and subscribe. We have different social medias. We have Instagram. We are also in Facebook. And then in YouTube, we are also under Crosspoint Church Cebu. And we also have our Spotify, the Podpoint. That is ThePodPointe. All right.
And if you're looking for a place to worship in Cebu or its environs, check out Crosspoint Church Cebu on Facebook. You can find we worship at One Central Hotel on the 7th floor every Sunday by 10 a.m.
Yes.
And would love to see you there. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
coming.
thank you,
thank you
for having
us.
us.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
it.
you, thank you.
Peace. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Okay na kuya.